What's poppin' YouTube, OG gang? It's your boy Wavy6 back at it with another episode. Today I want to talk about how you brush your weak side. Besides that, I'm going to do a brush section for you guys because I'm shifting from 540 slanted to 360 swirl. I've been doing it for the past 3 or 4 months already because I didn't want to cut my hair, so I rather shift. And I want to show you guys my progress, how it's been, and you know what I'm saying, what's the progress that I made from before and now. So I'm gonna show you my back. As you can see, it's getting better. You see right here, I'm brushing right here like this, downward. What I'm doing, I'm pulling this right here, so I could create a circle right here. So I'm brushing this way. This is downward right here like this. Then we're here forward and forward. I'm working on my crown. Remember, I got off-center crown, so got a brush from 540 was from below to the bottom of my ear. But since I have 360 swirl, I got a brush. I do the crown separately, but then I gotta do it like this, like downward, right here. So I'm gonna do a section with a hard brush. This is crown. So what I'm doing is this. I'm putting from right here, forward. Let's start my section right here. And go forward right here. I'm not used to it yet. Brushing I just got my light. So you guys gotta give me some time to get used to it. I'm used to doing it like this. I don't have to do a lot of brushes, but I'm not using the whole brush, by the way. What I'm using from the brush is right here. This is what I'm using from the brush. I'm not using the whole brush. It's from here, half of the brush up. Okay, it might look like that, but it's not. So I'm going from the from the crown all the way forward. You see? From the crown all the way forward. Not the whole brush, half of the brush. Because if you use the whole brush, you're gonna move another wave and you're gonna create a fork. All you wanna do is just let the hair know that you're there to brush it and to keep it waved up. Because if you don't brush, your waves is gonna vanish. Okay, that's the main key, having waves. You gotta brush. You know what I'm saying? You could last the whole day without brushing or 2 days, but if you last a week, you're gonna see your hair is gonna start curling up and your waves is gonna start vanishing. So you gotta dedicate some time. Now I'm going, that's my second angle. It's my third right here in the middle, forward, straight forward. As you can see, I'm getting close to the crown a little bit, not too much, but just a tiny bit. Because I'm doing it from the crown out. And you can see the strokes, I'm doing it slow. You could do it fast if you want, but me personally, nobody waiting for me, so I'll take my time because I'm close to the crown. Like if I'm here in front of the crown, like here, I'll do it fast, you see? Because I'm not on the crown. could do it fast like this. I'm not on the crown. But since I'm in my crown, I want to make sure that I brush everything evenly. So that's the reason why I go like this. You can see my tip. Just see the tip? It's right there. It's on the crown. So I pull everything forward. Forward. Over here, what I do here, I can use my left. I got used to it. You could change your hand, but I got used to it. I'm not using the whole brush. I'm using the tip of the brush. See, from the crown out. Crown out. Crown out. Take your time. If you feel like you could do it fast, go ahead, do it fast, but if you feel that like I'm taking my time with it, you can fast forward the video. Here, what I do is this, I go vertical. I go vertical downward. From the crown out. You want to make sure you brush every hair that you have so it can wave up. This is the part you brush right here. You see my line right here. Between here and here. That's where you brush. For me, line up. Because over here is forward. After that, on top of my ear, slightly, not too much, because I'm doing from the crown out. And I just go slightly, create a swirl. You see my brush? I go straight to the crown, you see? Then over here in the bottom, I brush tilt. The reason why I brush like this, so my waves could curve. You see, it goes straight, not straight to the crown, but go around it. Don't go around it and create a swirl. So after that, I change my hands. It's already swerved up. You can see it, right? It's already swerved up. So I stop here and I continue. From here, I continue. So what I do is this. And I swerve it real quick right here, boom. Forward. Nice and soft. You don't have to be rough. Just all you're doing is just grabbing the hair and pulling your hair the position you want your hair to go. It's simple, it's not that hard. You see? This is a hard brush, by the way. You see, my hair is still 540. You see my hair right here in the crown. It looks kind of messy because it's still 540. But I'm still working on it. It's coming in. It's just taking his time. You know, when you shifting, you gotta stay consistent, and you gotta cut your hair every time you do how you call that, you're woofing. Every time you woof 5 weeks, 6 weeks, depends how your hair is, and cut it to 1.5. And the new hair that's coming up, you brush it. 4 weeks, 6 weeks later, you cut it again, and you do the same process. Be repetitive with the same process. Repeat the same, until your hairs, get trained the way that you want to go to, and he's eventually is gonna follow your lead, And that's how you're gonna create the pattern that you want. You just gotta be patient, be consistent, be dedicated to it, and eventually it's gonna come in. That's how I got this pattern, you know. If you watch my videos, my old videos, I started with a 540 and I wanted to change it to 360 swirl. And it's working. You just gotta dedicate time to it. This is the way that I like my pattern. It's coming in. I just gotta keep working on the back. But it's coming in. It's looking better than before. Way better than before. Just want to show you guys the progress that I made so far. Alright guys, you already know, I'm gonna keep dropping flames until we become elite. I appreciate the subscribers, the new subscribers, shout out. Thank you for the appreciation. Leave your thumbs up, leave a comment below, anything, whatever, give me a feedback. You know what I'm saying? I read everything. Once again, thank you for the new subscribers. The subscribers that started with me, appreciate it. Much love. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here from the beginning. And we're gonna keep growing. OG gang, you already know. OG Wavy 6. I'm out of here, gang gang.